the channel. I am doing a bit of a weirder video today. We are doing a one-day sort of vlog style journey because we are in Orlando and we are headed to Disney. But the caveat is that we are actually headed to the very new Star Wars ride, and there is so much craziness around this ride right now. It is almost impossible to get in unless you do this specific process. So I figured I would share it with you guys and obviously share all the fun stuff that we're doing and the outfits that I will be wearing / changing into throughout the day. So it is currently 6 o'clock in the morning. We woke up at like 5:30 in the morning and we are about to head out the door to try to get into the park early enough so that we can get these things called boarding passes that only give you basically a random time slot to be able to ride this new Star Wars ride. And we've watched a couple of YouTube videos on it and it seems like it's going to be crazy already this early in the morning, and the ability to get a chance to ride this ride pretty much goes away within the first hour of the park opening, and the park is opening at 7 o'clock in the morning today. So we're headed out and hopefully on a journey to be able to ride Star Wars. I haven't really been outfit vlogging while here in Orlando, but this is what I'm wearing today as my first outfit. A black beret, black tube top, and these checkered legging style pants that I got from Zara recently, and pretty much sneakers all day. Star Wars, we are ready and committed for you.
It's not open yet.
Everybody here going to Hollywood Studios. It's currently 6:38 in the morning, and this is what the parking situation looks like.
Shut up, I gotta talk to the man.
Oh my gosh, she hustling. She hustling. Hustle bug. Peter, hustle bug. We are on the Amazing Race Disney Hollywood Studios version. We gotta wait till 7 a.m. until the boarding passes are available. And apparently we gotta be inside the park to be able to join the queue. It's not enough to just be on their Wi-Fi. You actually have to be in and past the entrance of the park. So we've got 2 minutes to go. This is crazy, guys. Look at all these people here this early in the morning. Nothing is open in this park right now because everybody is trying to get a boarding pass.
For admission to the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction.
Do you hear this?
Guests hoping to confront the First Order in Star Wars Rise of the Resistance should join the virtual queue.
Okay, it is currently 7 o'clock in the morning and we were able to get our boarding passes. Vic randomly got group 35 and we got group 65, so it seems like it might be random or just the entirety of all these people here may just mean that you randomly get thrown into a number. So if you are coming as a group, I would recommend putting all the tickets into one of the Disney Experience apps so that you guys can go and get a joining boarding group all together, because if not, you may or may not be separated. But we are here and we have a boarding group. This is what the boarding group on your Disney Experience app will look like. It'll say what group you're in, some instructions, but most importantly, that's the group you're in, which means that they will actually text you when it's about time for you to come back, and you've got 2 hours to come back and get in the actual line for the ride. Oh, they cute. While you wait for your boarding group to be called, we're at about 9 to group 32, I think, right now, and it's only about 8 o'clock in the morning, so they're actually moving through the boarding groups pretty quickly, a lot quicker than we originally thought they were going to. But in the meantime, while you're waiting for your boarding group to be called, visit some of the rides. If you have tickets and you have fast passes, you can actually do them in advance, but if not, you can also just get them when you get here. We got a fast pass to Tower of Terror, so that's where we're headed now. Are you excited to be terrorized? Are you ready to be terrorized, Victoria?
It looks like she's doing the terrorizing.
Are you ready to be terrorized? Boo! In we go.
Someone's gotta clean up around.
Since we are still waiting for our boarding time, we are actually at Star Wars' first ride that they built here at Hollywood Studios. Pretty cool.
It's so cute.
Update is that it's 9:15 a.m. and we're between groups 14 and 43 boarding now. So really not that bad because we've only been here about 2 hours and we're almost ready to go. How cute are these? Woo! They're little droids.
Old. I always wondered if the stories were real. Now I wonder what you're doing on that too. As you were, young one.
There she is. It's our time to board.
Let go.
It is now 11:45 and our boarding group was finally called and we are walking in. You still have to queue up in line, but it's a much shorter line obviously. And we are so excited. He's so excited he doesn't even want to turn around. This is what my phone said and it gave me an alert when it was time to board. We are getting close.
Make sure you're comfortable and take just a step forward.
So I didn't want to film the entire experience because I didn't really want to spoil it entirely for you guys, but I will say that it's very much an experience and the production value on this is insane. Would we ride it a second time and wake up 5 o'clock in the morning to do it again? Probably not, maybe. But it's definitely worth it to come to once if you guys can wake up early and get your boarding passes here. But it was amazing.
It was really cool.
It is currently 3:40 almost, and we are done at Hollywood Studios and we are about to take a bus to Animal Kingdom to ride my very favorite ride, which is Avatar Flight of Passage. I did a little bit of an outfit change. Currently wearing this pink slip dress, which is really comfortable, and I was feeling so hot from walking around, and it got to be quite warm today, so cute little pink slip dress from Zara, matched up with a cute little silk scrunchie that you guys have seen me wear before. And Victoria also did an outfit change. Made the Animal Kingdom right on time that has just started to rain.
I'm gonna play some rhythm.
We made it in to Flight of Passage. This is Dave and my personal favorite. It's been open for about 3 years now, but it is still so busy. It's still a just above 2.5 hour wait, and this ride has been open for 3 years. Pretty crazy if you ask me, but I think it's worth it. I feel like the ride is definitely worth the wait. We waited 4 hours when it first opened, and I still felt like it was worth the wait. So we are on our bus, headed back to Hollywood Studios, where we parked to end our day. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I hope this taught you guys or gave you a few tips and tricks for when you come to Disney and specifically to Hollywood Studios to see Star Wars. I know this is a little bit of a different style of video than I normally post here on my YouTube channel. A little bit more of my real life, a little bit more tips and tricks, but I'm hoping to throw more Wildcard Wednesday style videos like this into my channel this year. So let me know in the comments below if you liked coming along with me to things like this. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big inspired thumbs up. Comment below, let me know if you've ever been to Disney and if you are as obsessed with it as I am, and if so, what your favorite land and world is. And if you're new to the Inspired family, thank you so much for coming along with us. We hope you'll join us for a little bit longer and subscribe. But with that, I hope you guys have an inspiring rest of your day. Remember that kindness doesn't cost a thing, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!